And this is what it looks like all put together. Hello, welcome to Waypoint Survival. Today I'm going to talk to you about a 1950s Boy Scout Light Pack Survival Kit. Stay tuned. As many of you know, I'm a student of history, and I love old gear, and I love doing research about things that people used to use and carry. And I hope that you all enjoyed the video that I did last week on the 1935 era pocket carry kit from LL Bean. But this week I want to share something different. I found this in my research, and this is a great little light pack catalog. This is from the 1950s, and it gives various and detailed instructions on how to make your own lightweight gear, at least lightweight for the era that it was published in. So on a page in here, there is a pocket survival kit that is described. I'll make sure and post a picture of that before the end of the video. At any rate, doing further research, I happened to find a small kit that was partially put together. Now, fortunately, it also comes with the instructions and the details as to what you are supposed to add to this kit to make it complete. Now, a lot of these items you really can't find anymore, bits and pieces here and there, but I was able to cobble together enough to put together the complete kit. And so I want to show it to you. Let's get into it right now. As you can see, this light pack survival kit once belonged to Jamboree Troop 65 from Montclair, New Jersey. And so I was really happy to get a hold of this. They seem to be fairly difficult to find, and so finding one in its little box was pretty exciting. This survival kit is very small and designed to fit in any pocket. It only weighs 1.3 ounces. In the book it says it could weigh up to 2. Of course, that may be if you use a metal box. It is 1 3/4 inches wide, 2 1/4 inches long, and 7/8 inches deep. Opening the little plastic box, you can see it does have a crack here from somebody putting too much pressure on it perhaps. But here we have the little paper, and inside it gives us our detailed list of what should be in here, what comes with the pack, a little light pack kit, and then what you are to add to it. First thing you see on top is we have 6 Strike Anywhere matches that have been coated with a red wax to help waterproof them. The next item is a small button compass. Now, of course, you're not going to do a whole lot of navigation with this, but it will keep you walking in a straight line. The next item that you see is 18 inches of medical adhesive tape, 1/2 inch wide, and rolled up around a match and then flattened. The next item that we come to is 15 feet of snare wire, just wrapped around a piece of eye-shaped cardboard. Next, on another eye-shaped piece of cardboard, we have 20 feet of fishing line. They recommend 20-pound test. As you can see, we have a small sinker right here already attached to the line, and if we flip it over, we can see that there is a fish hook that is also attached, and then wrapped around the fish hook is a piece of medical tape, the very same that we used before, 1/2 inch wide, and of course this protects the point of the hook from coming around in the box and putting a hole in something else in the gear. It also helps keep it tightly taped together so we don't lose it and the line comes unspooled and makes a mess. The next item that goes along with the kit is a small fishing fly. We also have tucked along the side another medium-sized fish hook, as well as another small sinker. Then we come to the single-edged razor blade and its tiny paper sheath. This, of course, is very useful. If we do get a fish, we can clean it. Of course, you can use this for many other things, including wound debridement and things of that nature. The next item is very clever. It is a small cotter pin. And what you're to do with this, these cotter pins, one end is usually longer than the other, and you are to take and file this down and then file it flat on the points, slightly spread it apart, and then this becomes a very, very functional pair of tweezers. Going further into the little box, we find that we have some bandages wrapped up here. First, we have one Band-Aid. Just a regular size Band-Aid, a strip Band-Aid of course. Next we have a spot Band-Aid, and this is a larger patch-sized Band-Aid. The last item is a 2" by 2" sterile gauze pad. And this is the whole kit laid out so you can see everything that fits in that little box. Pretty impressive, I think, for 1.3 ounces. Here again is the LitePak camping equipment insert, and this is the interior of the insert, which shows you how to put together your very own LitePak survival kit. And this is what it looks like, all put together and ready to carry. This is James Bender for Waypoint Survival. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also make sure and check out the links in the description box below, just under the More button. While you're down there, you'll find our waypointsurvival.com link. And this is where you can sign up to take survival and bushcraft classes here at our beautiful training facility in Southern Ohio. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to the channel. We'd really appreciate it. And when you do subscribe, make sure and press that bell button so that you can stay notified of all of our upcoming videos, and we'll talk to you next time.